Like, I'm probably blinding you right now, but look at that, look at that, look at that. Love to see it, absolutely love to see it. Hello, beautiful people. So I've had a lot of requests to do a 2-month update on my OWOW hair and my OWOW review. So if you guys want to check that out, if you haven't watched it, I will link it in the description and up here. So it's been 2 months and 5 days since I did the OWOW treatment, and I want to show you guys. I've blow dried my hair and I wash my hair quite frequently just because I like to oil my hair quite a lot, and probably wash my hair about 3 to 4 times a week. And I use Waterman's, and it's sulfate free, so I don't use the shampoo and conditioner. I used it the first time that I put the treatment on, but moving forward I just use my own personal shampoo that I like to use, which is my hair loss shampoo. But I wanted to show you guys, so I'm just gonna bring my ring light just so you guys can see, and I'll get a bit closer. So my hair, normally when I blow dry it, it's not as soft and silky. It's still really soft, it's still really sleek. I haven't had to go over my hair quite a lot. It's obviously not as amazing as when I first did it, but it's still pretty good. So let me turn around and show you guys. I think I'll probably need to reapply the treatment in a couple of weeks. I personally am super happy. My hair is very frizzy, very dry. It feels really soft. Yeah, I love it. And if you guys want to get one, you can use my discount code ImanexBelle if you want to get 10% off from your kit. They just recently launched treatment to be in one bottle rather than getting the kit where it comes with shampoo and conditioner, so it's much cheaper. If you do have your own shampoo, like your sulfate free shampoo, and you just wanted to get the treatment bottle, you can now do that. So the full kit is $54.95, but with my discount code I'm just under £50. And then you can also buy, like I said, the treatment bottle by itself, and that's $39.90, but with my ImanexBelle discount you can get 10% off. I love the fact that it's bursting with amazing natural ingredients like guarana and Brazil nuts, which are super hydrating and just an amazing superfood, but also an amazing topical treatment for your hair, just to nourish your hair follicles, make it super smooth and really hydrating. So just wanted to give you this update. This is my hair and it's still really shiny and soft. You activate the amazing topical treatment, just blow dry. You don't need to straighten your hair, which is great. It just saves a lot of heat. So after I wash it, I just blow dry it. If you want me to review something, whether that's a hair product or beauty product, let me know in the comments. I appreciate each and one of you guys who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Would love for you to join the family. But thank you guys for watching. Thanks, bye.